Hi, I'm Sarah Mitchell, and today I'm going to read a book, In a Garden. Look at all those pretty flowers. In a Garden, written by Tim McCanna, illustrated by Amy Securo. A Paula Wiseman book, Simon & Schuster Books for Young Readers. In a garden, on a hill, sparrows chirp and crickets thrill. In the earth, a single seed sits beside a millipede. Do you see it? It's kind of right in there, I think. Worms and termites dig and toil, moving through the garden soil. Do you see the ants? Then at last a tiny shoot, ever slowly, forms a root. First a seedling, then a sprout, pushing, bursting, up and out. In a garden, day by day, newborn flowers find their way. Look at all those pretty flowers bursting up. See them? Sunlight warms the morning air. Dewdrops shimmer here and there. Earthwigs scuttle, beetles scurry. Roly-polies scout and worry. Oh, look at them all go. Sleepy slugs and garden snails leave behind their silver trails. Frantic teams of busy ants scramble up the stems of plants. In a garden, week by week, little creatures hunt and squeak. See that mommy bird coming into the nest to give all those babies something to eat? All the while, a sprout is growing without anybody knowing. Buds emerge and leaves unfold, braving wind, heat, and cold. Stretching, spreading, open wide, just the perfect place to hide. Underneath it's safe and snug for a lonely ladybug. In a garden, showers fall, dainty drinks for one and all. Nice rain covering everything, giving it a little water. Flower petals bold and bright blossom in the beaming light. Blooms of every shape and size call to bees and butterflies. Daisy, foxglove, tulip, plum, daffodil, and chrysanthemum. See all those pretty flowers? Seeps of nectar warm and sweet Pollens cling to heads and feet. Round and round they buzz and flit. Only pause to rest a bit. In a garden, bugs aglow, flashing, flying to and fro. Lacewings, gnats, mosquitoes, spiders, dragonflies, and water striders living among the cottontail reeds, lily pads, and water weeds. Keeping hid from hungry eyes. Does that owl look like it wants to get something? Using colors to disguise. Crafty bugs with clever tricks look like leaves or barks or sticks. In a garden full of green, many moments go unseen. What do you see in there? I see some things growing, some lettuce, and some watering cans. Oh, and there's a bunny. He looks like he got a carrot. Finding shelter in the shade, careful rows of eggs are laid. As a cool and gentle breeze whispers through the tops of trees. Looks like eggs are being planted or little buds are being dropped. Then a seed slips to the ground, sinking in without a sound. Time goes by, and then what's going to happen? Life returns to start again. Always changing, never still, in a garden, on a hill. The end.